Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off sleep mode on Samsung. The first thing I'm going to do is, there are two ways you can get to settings. So I can pull down from here and tap on settings over here, or I can simply go from my app screen, tap on settings, and then from settings here I can also search for display over here by typing display, or I can see, and then you can see screen timeout over there, or I can simply go here to display. It depends on you. You can choose any of the options you want, and then when you get here, you tap on screen timeout, and now this screen timeout is what helps to determine how long the screen will stay without being active before going into sleep mode. Now, what to turn off sleep mode? Unfortunately, as you can see, there is no option to turn off sleep mode, so you can only extend it to the longest time here which you have, which is 30 minutes. At least after 30 minutes of inactivity, now after 30 minutes of inactivity, your phone will go into sleep mode. You will have no option to turn it off for Samsung for now. There's no option to turn off sleep mode for now. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.